In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom test instructions in CodiumAI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to trigger test generation and guide it with precise behaviors, so your tests reflect real-world scenarios and catch tricky issues early. Start by opening the file you want to test inside your IDE. Make sure you've selected the specific component, function, or class you want CodiumAI to focus on. Selection matters because it helps the tool scope the tests to the code that actually needs coverage. With the code ready, use the test command. You can run it right in the CodiumAI chat or from the command bar. Think of test as your starting signal. It kicks off the test generation flow for the code you've highlighted or the active file you're working in. Once the flow begins, you'll see suggested tests and a space to tailor them. This is where Codo shines. Within the test generation flow, Codo lets you add your own custom instructions to shape how tests are produced. Use this to specify edge cases, like empty inputs, maximum lengths, or special characters. Define specific input payloads that mirror real data, including nested structures or optional fields. And call out error handling scenarios, such as expected exceptions, timeouts, or validation failures. The more concrete your instructions, the more targeted and useful your tests will be. When writing custom directives, be explicit about intent. For example, describe boundary values, expected outputs, and conditions that should trigger error paths. If your component interacts with external services, note how you want them mocked or stubbed. Avoid including any secrets or sensitive information. Describe the behavior rather than copying private data. Keep instructions organized in short, clear sentences so Codo can parse them accurately. As CodiumAI generates test candidates, review the preview and confirm that your custom instructions are reflected. If something's missing or too generic, refine your guidance and run the flow again using the same panel. You can iterate quickly, tighten edge cases, add alternative payloads, or clarify failure expectations until the tests align with your intent. This iterative loop is normal and helps you converge on high-signal tests. Finally, remember that the goal is clarity and coverage, not quantity. Prioritize the edge cases that have historically caused bugs and the payloads most representative of your production environment. With the #test command to kick things off and Codo to shape the details, you'll consistently produce robust, maintainable tests tailored to your code's real needs.